battles that changed the history of India, wars that changed the history of India, लड़ाई जो कि भारत को इतिहास को बदल के रख दिया. So dear students, in this particular series I will be discussing the battles or the war that changed the human history of India, right from the ancient civilizations till date. उसमें वही लड़ाई में लेके चलूँगा जो भारत को ही नहीं दुनिया भर का पूरा इतिहास को बदल कर रख दिया, मानव इतिहास को बदल कर रख दिया है. बैटल्स और द वॉर और द लड़ाई मानव इतिहास के लिए फॉर द ह्यूमन हिस्ट्री इट नेवर बीइंग टेकन एज अ गुड साइन, और यू कैन से इट्स नेवर बी टेकन एज अ मीन्स ऑफ प्रॉस्पेरिटी और हैप्पीनेस. लड़ाई, बैटल फ्रंट, वॉर कभी भी मानव सभ्यता के लिए अच्छा हो ही नहीं सकता. बट बिकॉज ऑफ द ग्रीडी एटीट्यूड्स of the rulers, or maybe the over ambitions or the greedy attitudes of all those big emperor, और कुछ situations और circumstances ऐसे होते हैं जो लड़ाई को जन्म देता है. कोई भी राजा महाराजा या कोई भी देश बैटल फ्रंट में जाना नहीं चाहता, लड़ाई करना नहीं चाहता, बट यूजुअली there might be in most of the time forcefully being dragged into the war. So that's why I wrote very rightly, battles of the war or ladai that changed the history of India or the human history. So in this particular video, in this series of the video, I'll be going for the series of the video. In this series of the video, I have divided into ancient history, medieval history and modern history. In the ancient history, I will cover right from the age of Mahabharata, even before that the age of ऋग वैदिक एज, ऋग वैदिक एज से लेके से अबाउट 700 और 800 AD तक का मैं कवर करूँगा. इन द मेडिएवल हिस्ट्री विल स्टार्ट फ्रॉम 1000 AD और 1000 century till 17th century or 18th till 18th century you can say, and in the modern history 18th century onwards. So in the first phase what we are going to discuss, that is the ancient history, the battles that changed the history of India. In terms of the ancient history, there are so many battles, बहुत सारे लड़ाई लड़ी गई है एंशेंट हिस्ट्री में भी, लेकिन मैं कुछ चुनिंदा वॉर को लूँगा. some selective wars will be taken into the considerations which change the history of India, and out of that the first one could be, it was in 14th century BCE, before the Christian era. मीन्स आज से अगर हम कैलकुलेट करें तो 14th century BC मीन्स 1400 years in that particular time in the BC, and this is the 20th century means 2000 साल इधर. So 3400 years ago, the first battle which was being written in the history of the India, that is the battle of the 10 kings. This battle is also known as the battle of the 10 kings. 10 राजाओं का लड़ाई हुआ था. India is the country of rishis and rajas and maharajas. So these two battles you can say in this particular history, जो कि 3400 years ago ये लड़ा गया था, जो इसके बीच में हुआ था King Sudas with Vasisht versus the kings, so many kings all together with Vishwamitra. So it was being fought in 14th century BC. कहाँ पे हुआ था? रावी रिवर इन पंजाब, रावी नदी के बैंक में हुआ था, in which more than 6,000 people they lost their life. It was the fight between, or it was being fought in between the Rig Vedic tribes and the others. So the Rig Vedic tribes were conquered by Sudas, and Bhartas settled in Kurukshetra. Kurukshetra, that is in the present Haryana, and this particular place is well associated with the age of Mahabharata, the era of Mahabharata, क्योंकि महाभारत इसी कुरुक्षेत्र में ही लड़ा गया था. Right? Emergence of Kuru kingdom. So what are the consequences or the result of this particular war, the battle of the 10 kings? Emergence of Kuru kingdom का शुरुआत होता है. एंड वो किंगडम था किस जगह पे? द किंगडम वॉज बेसिकली लाइज नियर बाय द स्टेट्स ऑफ दिल्ली, हरियाणा, पंजाब एंड वेस्टर्न उत्तर प्रदेश. सो दिस इज अदरवाइज नोन एज द बैटल ऑफ द 10 किंग्स, सेड टू बी वन ऑफ द ओल्डेस्ट बैटल बीइंग फॉट. द सेकंड वन इन 10th century BC, which is otherwise known as the war of Mahabharata, that's known as Kurukshetra war. The place Kurukshetra in the modern day Haryana. It was being fought in between the Kauravas and its allies and the Pandavas and its allies. Pandavas, the Panchalas and its allies. महाभारत का लड़ाई ऑलमोस्ट ईच एंड एवरी वन यू पीपल नो किस लिए हुआ था. आई विल नॉट गो इन दैट इन डिटेल्स. पांडवस एंड कौरवस के बीच में हुआ था with the help of Sri Krishna, and he witnessed this particular war and the battlefield of Kurukshetra. The victory, the Pandavas and the allies, they took victory, and it's the fall of the Hastinapur. इंद्रप्रस्थ, हस्तिनापुर दोनों अलग अलग जगह था. इंद्रप्रस्थ जनरली कौन से पांडवस कैपिटल सिटी था एंड हस्तिनापुर कौरवस का था. सो आफ्टर द दिस पर्टिकुलर वॉर दैट रिजल्टेड इन द फॉल ऑफ द हस्तिनापुर, धृतराष्ट्र abdicated the throne of Hastinapur from Kauravas and Yudhishthir succeeded him. Yudhsu was appointed as Yudhishthir's subordinate king Indraprastha because पांडवस पांचों ही ये माना गया कि वो स्वर्ग के तरफ चल पड़े थे. Various successions took place due to the many kings and the rulers' death in this particular the war of Mahabharata. Anga, Chedis, Gandhar, Kalinga, Kosala, Madra, Magadh, Matsya, Panchal, Sindhu, Virat. These are all the kingdoms. The center of the power in the Gangetic, this Ganga basin, shifted from the Kurus to the Panchalas, and around 40 lakhs people they fought the war, and almost everyone they died except a few survived. The next one that's very important again you can say in the history of India and the history of the world, 326 BC in the month of May at the river bank of Jhelum, that's known as Battle of Hydaspes. This battle was fought in between the Greek hero Alexander and the Indian king Porus. King Porus और King Alexander के बीच में वो लड़ाई हुआ था जिसमें कि अराउंड 24,000 सोल्जर्स का डेथ हुआ था. ग्रीक दे टुक विक्ट्री एंड पोरस सरेंडर. एरिया ऑफ पंजाब बिटवीन Hydaspes means present Jhelum and Hyphasis, that is Bias, taken into Alexandrian Empire, and Porus was reinstated. Means he again you can say being given that particular throne and as a subordinate ruler. And Porus के पास बहुत बड़ा आर्मी था but he lost the battle. He was having huge numbers of elephant, लेकिन एलिफेंट को तीर तलवार से ऐसे बना दिया गया था कि वो एलिफेंट जो अलेक्जेंडर के अगेंस्ट में लड़ने वाले थे वो पोरस के सोल्जर्स को मारना शुरू कर दिए. एंड दिस इज what the entry of you can say the Greek in India. The conquest of the Nanda Empire 321 to 20 BC. This story more or less you can see each and every one of us you know. Chandragupta Maurya with Chanakya versus the king Dhananand. Dhananand, he was the last ruler of the Nanda dynasty and having his kingdom at Magadh, presently known as Bihar, पटना के पास था और उनका कैपिटल सिटी का नाम था पाटलिपुत्र. Lots of people they died you can see. Dhanananda lost the battle and this led the foundation stone of the Mauryan Empire, the mighty Mauryan Empire in India.